welcome back to Model Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is RUSHAE. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. If this is your first time, I do a lot of styling here, primarily through vintage or thrifted finds. So if you do like styling content, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the family. So for today's thrift haul, I went to the Salvation Army. It's a small, like, hole in the wall type of store in Jersey City. And the reason I keep going there, even though, you know, I may not find like the greatest things, is one time I found a vintage Celine jacket, and because of that I am forever faithful to that little store. So occasionally I go and take a look to see what they have, and so I'm just gonna go into the come thrift with me and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, first things first, I didn't get to show you this shirt the last haul I did. So this is what that stripe mock neck looks like. I only put it over my shoulder the last try on haul. So this is, you know, the sleeves are quite long. I've just given it a little tuck, and typically I just pull the sleeves up. So my full OOTD, very casual, working from home day to day with my JW Anderson dupes, these little boy size 16 jeans that I DIY'd myself, my mock neck, and just this little snakeskin belt that I love. And that's what I'm doing today. Just nice and chill. It's pouring outside. I'm very comfortable. I just made some soup. It's great. So now for the haul. This week I only spent just over $22. Okay, so going in, I was looking for whites, like maxi white skirts or maxi white dresses, very feminine, very billowy. You know, I was really pushing it for my wish list going in for this thrift with me. Yeah, I didn't get any of that, but but I will show you what I did get. So the first item is this red and white stripe button down. I love that it has these little pockets here. It does have a little button here, and these are like I forgot what you call, like this two-tone, almost like shellish type buttons, which I really like. I thought it would be perfect for summer. It is 100% cotton. It feels really good, and it's by Baltmans. This is what the label looks like. Yeah, Baltmans. It's a size large, but I think it will fit really nice and relaxed. And the cuff comes in really small as well, so I think this will be nice and comfortable for the summer. So that's the first thing that I got. So first up is my red and white striped shirt, and it's all the cozy vibes. I just have on a pair of Birkenstock slides and this little basket bag. I'd more than likely pull the sleeves up just to make it a little more relaxed, and this is how I'd style this, and that's what I had in mind. I just want something, you know, just really relaxed and comfortable, and you know, these little cotton button downs are perfect. So just with a little straw bag, it's straw bag season, and yeah, just a nice little relaxed outfit, and I love this. Next up, I'm not supposed to be buying sweaters, however, you know, I like a little granny chic moment, so I found this white sweater. It does have these little beading on it. Yeah, so it does have like sequins and little beads and these like full pearlized buttons. I thought it was the cutest thing. This is by Carolyn Taylor for By Design. This is what the tag looks like. Yeah, so you know, just a really cute granny chic sweater that I can wear right now, so why not? So next up is this really sweet top. The buttons don't actually open. I'm not sure if the last person sewed everything shut, but this is the top. I decided to keep it nice and sweet, and I've just added my pink satin Prada little tote bag and these pair of pink, like bubblegum pink Bottega dupes. These are so comfortable. They're a little weird because the mouth is like really long. Remember that trend that was happening, but I promise it does fit. It's very comfortable. I also decided to put this little chain belt on it just to make the look even, you know, more sweet, and just playing this one up a little more. And so this is how I style this top, and yeah, very, very sweet little spring look, and I need to wear this ASAP. So I also love this look, this pop of color, and yeah, it's just so cute. Speaking of granny chic, I found this cute little duster, and this is a short sleeve like robe. You know, they'd call it duster back then, I think. But it's this nice little robe. I love the little watercolor flowers on the sleeves right here. I really like how delicate it is. It has some lace going around the collar and all the way down right here, comes around, and it even had the little tie strap. And this is perfect for, you know, when it starts getting warm and I still want to have a robe on. I don't have to worry about, you know, the terry or the really comfy robes when it's cold, but you know, you're sweating bullets when it starts warming up. So I thought this would have been a perfect little robe to have on hand. You know, I could push the limit and see if I want to wear it out, but I'm not so sure. Based on the material, it's more like this satiny kind of slip-like material, so I'm not sure if this is something I'd wear out, but it's really cute. And the bottom also has like the little design going all the way down, so I thought it was really cute. It's vintage, and yeah, I decided to get this. This is what the little lace going around looks like, and this is just by Miss Marwa. This, it looks like, I don't know if this is the original label, but that's what that looks like. It looks a bit suspicious, but okay. I just wanted to jump in quickly and show you what the robe looks like. So it's nice and short sleeve, cute little flutter sleeve as well. You know, maybe I could wear it out as a dress, you never know, but this is just what this looks like. This is the length. I haven't taken my jeans off, but just to show you what the robe looks like. And yeah, let me jump into the next piece. Next thing I got is this awesome leather woven belt, and oh my god, it's just completely woven all the way down. It's genuine leather, and it has this little thing, you know, when they want to make sure that the loop doesn't fall off, which is perfect. They did cut the tag off. I would have loved to know who it was by, but they cut the tag off. But oh my god, this is such a perfect little belt for summer. And it fits perfectly. This is just what it would look like. I'll try to find something to pair this with. I didn't have a dress in mind since I'm actually looking for white dresses, but if I can find something to pair this with, I'll show you. But let me put this on right now just so you can see the fit. But yeah, this is how this fits, and it looks really, really cute. Now, don't ask what I was thinking, but I saw this little full leather like joggers, and I decided to get it. I think the color is perfect for spring. It's still quite cool, so I could get away with wearing this right now. But I just thought it was cute. It's just a batik brand, and it's by Chic Me. So, you know, but I just liked the color of it. It's a little jogger. I thought it's still spring. It's still cool out. This is something that I could throw on like right now. So I decided to grab this. It's a pity they used black like a black string here with like silver metal tips. That's very weird, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna need it. But yeah, I still just really like the color and the idea of it. I don't know if it fits, so we'll see. I think this is just $5, so it's fine. We'll give it a whirl. And of course, it will come right back around for fall, so, you know, all is not lost. So guys, this is the faux leather jogger pants, and I'm not so sure about this. I actually thought it would have been bigger and looser. It is a size medium. I thought it was gonna be like a relaxed jogger fit, but this is what it looks like. I've paired it with black top and black shoes. Because of this little black string, it would have stood out if I didn't go with black. So I think, you know, it kind of makes it part of the look. But yeah, I don't know. This is, I do love the high waist. It does fit fairly okay in here, not so much here, I think. But yeah, this is what the jogger looks like. So for bag, I really need to get a little black bag. I have this little Dior, Lady Dior dupe, mini dupe, and then I have this little vintage black bag that I think would also go with it. They're not quite right. I think that this look calls for a lizard Teddy Blake 9-inch bag, but I'll leave it on the wish list for now because I really need the perfect black bag. But for now, I'm not sure if I prefer this little vintage bag, which is a little bigger, or the little mini Dior S bag. But let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if it's a hit or miss with these pants. They feel comfortable. They just feel a little weird on to me. I don't know if it's because these side pockets or it has this little bunching right here that makes it my waist look a little wider. You know, this little thing doing this right here. I'm not sure, but let me know in the comments, is this a hit or miss for these pants? But yeah, I thought they were gonna be like joggers. I don't know why I thought they looked bigger than they were, but the last thing I found, I think I panicked and decided I'm not leaving without a dress. But I found this little spaghetti strap tie-dye blue dress. It's a maxi dress, so I'm just thinking, you know, when it starts getting really warm, this will be a great one to just, you know, run around, walk the dog, do those close by errands. And yeah, this is just by Philosophy. So yeah, just a cute little halter neck maxi dress that will just be great for us running around on really hot days. So I just picked this up and decided to, you know, it's blue. I like blue. It will be perfect. So perfect little casual dress. So I just decided to grab this. So that's the last thing I got. I will try on these pieces for you just so that you see what they look like on, and then yeah, you let me know which one is your favorite. So finally is my little moo dress. Now if I want to show a little more of this little white here, I have to open this up like this and it would give it more of like a square neck, but I much prefer it completely pulled in like this. And this is like the perfect like beach cover up. You know, if you're heading to the beach, it's just really easy. You just pull the strings and you're ready for the beach, providing you already have your swimsuit underneath. I mean, unless it's that kind of beach, but so I've just thrown on the belt, and just to give it a little more definition, I definitely have to find something to pin it. For now, I just tucked it under the side here, but I love the width. I love how this sits flat on the body. That's like perfect. And yeah, I just added a little straw bag, heading to the beach. You know, your towel, etc. is in here. And yeah, I think it was a good haul. Very functional, very cozy, casual pieces. Let me know about that jogger. Is it a hit or is it a miss for that jogger? But overall, I really love the items. I think it was a really fun, very cute haul. So I definitely love the pieces I got. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what look was your favorite, what piece is your favorite. As well, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join the family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.